First of all, I am so very happy to be here in Turin after 2 years spending time with all of the people from the Adeste project. Finally meeting in person was a very nice change, for a change. And I would say that the conference actually fulfilled its aim, and that was to wrap up the project and all the results, outcomes, processes, stumbles, falls, getting ups we had throughout these 2 years with predictable and unpredictable situations that we had on our way here. Adeste Plus was dedicated to developing blueprint, which aims to help organization find their way towards changing the focus towards audience engagement and participation. And in that sense, it's maybe structured generically so that it can address many different situations and particularities in which organizations find themselves. And I would say that the strong point of the blueprint is a kind of puzzled structure that allows it to be deconstructed and used in different ways, so that different organizations with different capacities, different abilities, different needs can use in ways that are most appropriate for them in order to achieve the goals they actually aim to achieve. The biggest victory of the Adeste Plus is that we managed to come to the end of the process, to have designed the blueprint, to have found the way how to work together, how to negotiate our differences, how to structure things in a way that they are open, sufficiently open to diversity of needs that each of us is finding ourselves in, different conditions within which we operate, and produce the value that each of us can use in our own frameworks, in our own context, in our own goals, but also to establish new connections, to initiate new dialogues, to think out of the box and broaden our horizons. Audience development, which I prefer to call audience engagement and participation, because it describes better the aim we have with what we are doing. Is a very long road to walk, and this is kind of opening the new doors towards new problems and new situations and new unpredictabilities that we have in front of us. But we also have kind of different partners to lean on and help each other in finding the ways how to introduce these discussions, these changes that we want to achieve into the communities and the contexts we want to bring forth this process on, and somehow tackle the differences that each cultural actor in each context has. And somehow I think that we're very far away from the goal, but we are actually on the path. And I think that somehow, as we discussed in the final session of the policy forum today, where we were focusing on on the question of process to be kind of a goal and not the very concrete outputs that are basically framing and determining how the processes work and operate. I think that putting the focus on the process is what is the strong point of all these future workings we have in front of us.